Let's take a trip to the heart of Italy with this Italian meatball soup. Start by making the meatballs, combining the meat, garlic, egg, Parmesan cheese, panko crumbs, some salt and oregano, mixing it all together with your hands. Then, shape your meatballs and place them on a tray lined with parchment paper. You should get about 24 meatballs. Then, place them in your preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, chop up all your vegetables for the soup and place them in a large Dutch oven with olive oil. Season with a bit of salt, and then add in your broth. Add in your cubed tomatoes and give it a quick stir. Bring it to a boil, and then add in your pasta. Then add in your tomato paste and give it a quick stir. Once your pasta is cooked, add in your cooked meatballs. And bring your soup to a simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And just like that, you're ready to serve with some freshly grated parmesan. Thanks for watching! Click on our icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.